Expressing your emotions doesn't mean you're out of control or that you're going to lose control. It doesn't mean you're dysfunctional or imbalanced or have issues or you're weak. It means you're human. And if you don't feel comfortable emoting even for or with yourself, then my guess is somewhere down the line, someone made you feel like that part of you was bad, when all the while it was natural, necessary, and a way to independently keep internal balance. The parent who only quiets, controls, or yells at their child every time they start to cry, get upset, overwhelmed, even happily overjoyed, doesn't really see that child. They can't fully understand them because every time authentic emotions are expressed, they're shut down, complained about, overlooked, and ignored, communicating that the actual self, complete with full emotions, is unwelcomed, burdensome, even problematic. And that's a pretty tough existence for a kid. It's even tougher when that kid grows up to believe this is how I have to be. You don't, because you aren't. You can't convince a baby or a toddler they weren't made to express emotions for a reason. It's innate, and it's essential. Expressing your emotions may no longer be familiar to you, but it's a natural function in you, which means it can be exercised and strengthened for the emotional fortitude and balance you need and crave. You're aware everyone isn't safe to express with or in front of, but at the very least, it may be time to take some intentional steps to ensure you are a safe place to express for yourself. Boundary up. I hope this helps.